Hey, it's Megan here, and in this video I'll be reviewing this ring light. So the first thing I love about this ring light is it's super easy to pack with you and bring on the go. It comes with this great carrying case here, so you can pack all of the pieces up and bring it with you. As you can see, we have it on the stand right now, but it also comes with this clip that you can attach onto your computer or a shelf or something nearby, and it's super easy to take off of the stand and put onto the clip or vice versa. The other thing I love about this ring light is it actually has a super long cord that goes with it, and that allows you to back it up, bring it closer, whatever fits your needs depending on the lighting that you're in. On the cord, it has this remote, and that controls all of the ring light functions. So you can turn it on, and then from here you can adjust the light. So you can turn it down. I usually turn it down a couple of notches so that I'm not completely blinded during a video or a call. And you can play with the lighting from there to see what you like. And when you're done, you simply flip it off. Not only can you adjust the brightness, but you also have different types of lighting. So we can flip it on, and that's what these buttons here control. You can play with the different hues and tones and shades of the lighting. So again, just depending on the room you're in, you can play with that, turn it off. And the final thing I'll note is that this ring light operates on a USB cord. So you can see here, since I have a new MacBook, I do have to have a converter because it does only come with this USB port. Overall, I love the ring light. It's my favorite ring light that I have used, and I hope you enjoy it too.